In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and find draft posts on LinkedIn. We'll walk through the entire process from opening LinkedIn to saving a draft and then finding it again later, so you can pause your writing without losing any work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your LinkedIn feed. Once you're on the feed, look near the top of the page for the box that says Start a Post. This is the composer you use to share updates. Click it to open the post window. Inside the composer, type your post just as you normally would. You can write your text, think through your ideas, and take your time. If you're drafting something longer, it's a good habit to pause occasionally and consider how you want it to appear once published. Now, if you're not ready to publish and want to save what you've written, here's how to store it as a draft. Instead of posting, look for the small X in the corner of the post window. Click that to close the composer. LinkedIn will show a prompt asking what you want to do with your unfinished post. Choose Save as Draft. This confirms that your current text is safely stored, so you can return to it later without retyping anything. When you're ready to come back to your draft, return to your LinkedIn feed if you're not already there. Click the Start a Post box again. When the composer opens, LinkedIn will surface your saved draft, typically right at the top of the editor. You'll see your text waiting for you, so you can continue writing, make edits, or go ahead and publish when everything looks right. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Saving as a draft is especially handy if you're stepping away or want to refine your message before posting. If your browser or tab closes unexpectedly, checking your drafts through the Start a Post box is a good first step. And while drafts are helpful, they're best treated as a temporary holding place. So once your message is final, either publish it or copy the text somewhere safe for long-term storage. That's it. You've learned how to open LinkedIn, write your post, save it as a draft, and find it again when you're ready to finish.